Israel unveils revolutionary land-based laser air defense system. The laser, which was developed and manufactured by the Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Elbit systems, has proven its interception capabilities during comprehensive testing over its lengthy development cycle. Iron Beam is a land-based laser air defense system, designed to destroy short-range rockets, artillery and mortars with a range of up to 7 kilometers, which are otherwise too small for Iron Dome system to intercept effectively. In addition, the system could also intercept unmanned aerial vehicles. It will use a directed high-energy laser beam to destroy the targets. The whole battery is mobile and composed of an air defense radar, a command and control unit and 2 HEL systems.